Hello all, let us see how to solve this particular problem. So basically a schematic has been provided which is called a TTL based AND OR invert gate. So we have AND and OR invert gate, which is nothing but the NOR gate, we can say. So we have to find out what is the output Y here. So considering this scenario, so we can say there are two kinds of gates here. One is AND gate, okay, and for the AND gate, if you take two inputs X and Y, that's what the two input AND gate there. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. For this particular AND gate, only when both the inputs are high, the output will be 1. That is the functionality of AND gate. Now coming to the NOR gate, which is the invert of OR gate, when the outputs are 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So now the output will be 1 only when both the inputs are 0. Otherwise, if any of the input is 1, the output will be 0 for a NOR gate. So before solving this particular problem, we have to know the that functionality and the truth table of these AND and NOR gates. Now if you see here, one of the principle what we have to understand is basically these are TTL based schematic. Now for a TTL based schematic, transistor logic schematic, if there is no input, that means that the inputs are floating, then that input is treated as high, that means 1. So now because the inputs are provided as treated as floating here, that means 1 and 1, that means this output will be 1. Okay, so if you take this condition as a don't care, and then if you take the input of A and B, A and B will be 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, and the don't care will always be 1 because it is floating, the output will be 1. Now the output of this A and B is 0 0 0 1. So in this scenario, if you eliminate these two, okay, these two are the inputs to the NOR gate. Okay, so now if you consider this as Y, so if you see here, as per the NOR gate functionality, if any of the input is 1, the output is 0. Here the one of the thing is that for the floating gate AND gate, the output is always 1. So irrespective of A and B, because this input is 1, that means one of the input is always 1, irrespective of these AND gate outputs, the output will always be 0 because one of the input is always 1. So for a NOR gate, based on its functionality, so the output is nothing but Y is equal to 0. So this is how we solve this problem. Thank you.